2021 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 27. The value of integral e to the power x dx between 0 and 1 using the trapezoidal rule with 4 equal subintervals is. The options are 1.718, 1.727, 2.192, 2.718. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed as below. So if we have a curve which is given as y equals fx, and we need to find the area under this curve between the interval x0 equals a and xn equals b, we can do that using several techniques. So one of those techniques is trapezoidal rule, where we consider a small element h which is given as b minus a over n, where n is the number of subintervals. As per trapezoidal rule, the integral of a function fx dx between a and b is given as h over 2, the sum of first and last ordinates, that is y0 and yn, plus 2 times the sum of all the other ordinates that exist. This would essentially give us the integral of the function fx dx between the intervals a and b. Coming to the question, the value of x has been specified from 0 to 1, and we need to find y. So y is nothing but fx, which in this case is e to the power x, and we need to consider 4 subintervals. So in this case h will be b minus a over n, that is 1 minus 0 by 4, which will be 0.25. So we will add 0.25 to 0, then we will add 0.25 to 0.25, and so on. So we will have the following x values, and corresponding to them we will have the y value, which will be e power 0, e power 0.25, e power 0.5, e power 0.75, and e power 1. For the ease of calculation, we should calculate the coordinates now itself. So the first value will be 1, second value will be 1.284, 1.648, 2.117, and 2.71. Using the trapezoidal formula, e power x dx between 0 and 1 will be given as h by 2, (0.25) over 2, first plus last ordinate, that is 1 and 2.71. So 1 plus 2.71 plus 2 times the sum of all other ordinates, that is 1.284, 1.648, and 2.117. This would give us the integral I as 1 over 8 into 13.808, which will be around 1.726. So the value of the integral e power x dx between 0 and 1 using the trapezoidal rule with 4 equal subintervals was found out to be 1.727. The trapezoidal rule is nothing but h over 2 into first plus last ordinates plus 2 times the sum of all other ordinates. We should not count the first and last ordinate in this interval. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed as below.